Go to Google Chrome and in search bar, type teamviewer.com. Now click on Try Now for free. Scroll a bit and click on Download Desktop Client. To start the TeamViewer setup download, click on Download Now. You can select for others according to your device type. Download 64-bit version for TeamViewer full client. Download will be started. Click on exe file to start the installation. Default installation and accept to continue. Installation will start and it may take few minutes. Click on I accept and continue. Here we go. TeamViewer is launched. Click on OK. Now you can share your ID and password for assistance.